Hi everyone. So welcome to Chinese Voyage. So in this lesson, we will continue to learn the another phrase initials. So the red characters above are the initials and the below are the combined pinyin. I will first pronounce the initials and then demonstrate how to pronounce out the pinyins, followed by the pronunciations for twice. Please follow me to do the practice. Good. Good. Ga. Good. 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 U. So from left to right. Ga. Gu. Gu. Good. Good. Ka. Good. 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 U. Ku. Ka. Ku. Ha. U. Ha. We will see some pinyin units together with the tone marks. So each of them form a vocabulary. Please practice the pronunciations with me. Gala, gala, 大哥，大哥，屁股，屁股，估摸，估摸，八个，八个，塔，塔，科目，科目，题库，题库，题库，题库，哈哈，哈哈，蛤蟆，蛤蟆，合格，合格，狐狸，狐狸，糊涂，葫芦，葫芦，物理，物理。So in order to let you get familiar with the pinyin writings and the pronunciations, I prepare pinyin worksheets for you guys as exercises. So the download links is ready at the descriptions below. You can also find it in the curriculum of Pinyin course at our site. Please make sure you practice it and come back to move on to the next lessons when you are ready. For more courses you can explore in the Chinese Voyage and keep your momentum, please check out the links in the descriptions below. We have drawn a very clear and steady learning path for you. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!